a session about question answers based on interactive methodology of teaching a language. There are many popular methods of teaching language. Number one is GTM, grammar translation method. Number two is DM, direct method. Number three is MIM method. The most significant of all is interactive methodology. Question answer session actually will ignite their critical thinking and analytical power as well. Here you go. What kind of music do you like?
Well, I love pop music because it's upbeat and catchy, perfect for me when I feel some energetic or need motivation. And I also listen some classical and instrumental music, mainly when I am walking, standing, and or driving, because it helps me to concentrate.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. I hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear friends, today we are going to have a session about question answers. Question answer session is based on interactive methodology of teaching a language. There are many popular methods of teaching language. Number one is GTM, grammar translation method. Number two is DM, direct method. Number three is MIM method, mimicry and memorization method. And the last but not the least, the most significant of all is interactive methodology. So we're going to have a session about music. I'm going to ask questions from the students of mine, and they're going to give me the appropriate answers. Question answer session actually will ignite their critical thinking and analytical power as well. Here you go. So dear friends, the questions about music are, number one, what kind of music do you like?
Well, I love pop music because it's upbeat and catchy, perfect for me when I feel some energetic or need motivation. And I also listen some classical and instrumental music, mainly when I am walking, standing, and or driving, because it helps me to concentrate. Moreover, I love to different kind of music, but rock is my favorite because it's very energetic and enjoyable music.
Absolutely fantastic answer. Your question was interesting and catchy as well. Very nice. The second question is, how often do you listen to music?
I listen to music every day while I'm working and traveling and exercising. It's helped me stay focused and energized. When I feel sad, I listen to music. It helps me to release my stress and frustrations.
This is a fantastic answer. Okay, it alleviates your frustration, right? Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, of course. I play guitar. It's a versatile and popular instrument, and people enjoy playing. It is used to play different various genres of music, just like rock, pop, and more. Its rebellious sounds resonate my emotions and heart, and helps me to focus on my goals, and it energizes me to do more and more things.
Fantastic. And do you think music can affect your mood?
Yes, music has a big impact on my mind. A beat song make me feel happy, while slower music help me relax.
Right. Shabash. The next question would be, would you like to learn more about music?
Yes, I would like to learn more about the music theory and improve my guitar skills. Understanding music more deeply would make playing and listening more enjoyable.
Will make listening more enjoyable. Good. My question would be from you, what kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop music. The beats are very catchy, and lyrics are often relatable, which make it fun.
Relatable.
Which make it fun to listen to.
Very fun to listen to. Kind of music you like, any. Okay. How often do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen music every day.
Really?
Yeah.
You're listening to music on daily basis?
Yeah.
Wow.
Especially while I'm working and.
Do you have so much free time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially while I'm working and exercised, it's there to help me focused and energized.
Fantastic. And the next question would be, do you think music can affect your mood?
Yes, music has a lot of effect on my mood. For example, the upbeats make us more happy and the slow beats make us more relaxed.
Wow. Okay. And would you like to learn more about music?
Yes, I would love to learn more about music. Music, it improve my guitar skill. Understanding music deeply make playing and listening more enjoyable.
Right. And what kind of music do you like? Okay. Do you think music can affect you or it can affect your mood?
Yes, music has great impact on my mood. Upbeat songs makes me feel happy, energetic, motivation, and low beat music makes me feel relaxed.
All right. So, dear friends, there's going to be a rotation of the questions now. There are 5 questions altogether. I start with the number 1 question and number 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. But now we are going to reverse the order. The student who gave the question number 1's answer, that's who would give the answer to the question number 5. Okay, so we're going to start now. Would you like to learn more about music?
Definitely, yes. In my leisure time, I prefer to improve my music theory and guitar skills because it helps me to concentrate on my work and on my mind when I feel stressed. Moreover, in my bored time, I prefer to play some singing song and playing guitar because its combination is really fascinating. So I love this
Combination of playing guitar
and music.
and music is fascinating. Do you sing a song sometime?
Yes,
Are
definitely.
you a bathroom singer?
No.
Oh, sometimes. We are singing song, but we're not very good at it. But still we are. Main hoon jaan. Oh my God. Okay, great. Do you think music can affect your mood?
Yes, definitely. It affects all. It always affects my mood, and the upbeat music helps me to enjoy my happy moments, and the slow beats helps me to relax my mind. These are soothing and comforting.
Yeah, that's great. Upbeats and slow beats. Upbeats makes you excited, you know. Rap music, example, jazz music, rap music, classical music. No, classical music low beat actually. Right. On the other side, the slow music makes you feel relaxed and comfortable. Right. Brilliant stuff. The next question is, do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play guitar. I started learning a few
Do you
years
really
ago.
play guitar, or this is just for the answer's sake? You really play? Can you play guitar?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You might have taken some online classes from YouTube to play guitar. Twang, twang. Right.
It's a hobby I really enjoy. I would like to more learn to more music theory and improve my guitar skills.
Okay, great. Developing a musical instrument skill can also help you out. Can you help you? It can help you get out of frustration sometime. You're feeling bored, and this could be a wonderful treatment of the boredom. Right. How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music every day, especially while I'm working or exercising to help me stay focused and energetic.
You can't maintain the focus on things until you are listening to music.
Yeah.
Can you do 2 things simultaneously? For example, you're listening to music and you're also reading book. Some people are good at doing it. I don't understand how they can manage their time when you're listening to music. It means you are indulged in the lyrics. You are listening to it every high and low. Its beats. You're involved in sometimes instruments. Some lyrics and the meaning. Sometimes you relate it with your personal life. Okay, great. Thank you. So, what kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to a lofi music. It is characterized by a relaxed, calming, and nostalgic vibe. Soft and steady beats produced a warm and natural atmosphere.
Fantastic. Okay. Natural environment. How often do you listen to music?
I listen music every day, especially
Listen to music. We always use to. as a preposition after listen. Yes.
Especially while I'm working, exercising. It's helped me to stay focused and energized.
Sometimes people who are from the working class, they tune in the FM channels and they're listening to, and they're ironing clothes or washing clothes or making dishes maybe, and they're also listening to the music, FM channel. Do you listen to music on FM channel? Hello? No. When normally I drive, I tune in the FM, and I also listen to the calls people are making to the DJs or RJs maybe. Okay, great. Next. How often do you listen to music? It's over. The next one is, do you play any musical instruments? Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play a guitar. Sometime I improve my music skills. It's my hobby and I enjoy it.
Shabash, I enjoy it. And do you think music can affect your mood?
Yes, music has a big impact on my mood. Upbeat songs make me feel relaxed, and the slow beats make me feel happy.
Right, thank you. And would you like to learn more about music? Excuse me. Yes. Would you like to learn more about music?
Yes, I would love to learn more about music theory and improve my guitar skills. Understanding more about it deeply would make playing and listening even more.
All right, thank you very much indeed. Wish you all the very best of luck, guys and girls, for giving and bringing this session to public. You have given the answers as far as possible. There were sometimes mistakes. I can't say that you were exactly all right in giving the answers or responding to the questions, but session improves your confidence that you become capable. You think that you are able to give answer to any question asked. Today's topic was music. We'll continue this exercise in upcoming classes as well. So, and I hope that this is going to make you a confident, fluent speaker. You know, when you interact with people, somebody asks the question and you give the answer, it's really important because it increases your vocabulary. It gives you the confidence of speaking to the public, and it will also help you out in being successful in interviews. For example, interviews are conducted in question answer sessions, so it will also help you out like this. Thank you very much, everybody.